Hi all, in this tutorial we are going to talk about on-page SEO. What is on-page SEO? Actually, on-page SEO is the practice of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. On-page refers to both the content and HTML source code of a page that can be optimized, as opposed to off-page SEO, which refers to link and other external signals. In short, the work that is done on a page is called off-page SEO. Okay, after searching a keyword in Google, we get a list of some website, and again we see our keyword related titles, meta description, snippet, etc. All this is done through on-page SEO. I am taking you the practical. If I search on Google search bar, best dog food, best dog food and search. Here you can see 10 and more website is showing the Google first page, and all this website content is relevant to my search result. How to choose the best dog food? Look, best dog food, 9 of the best dog food. Every content is relevant to my content, and also you can see the output, the title. It is the title, and this is the meta description. And if I click on a link, it will take you it will take me to their website. Why it is showed on Google first page? Because it is well optimized, well on page optimized, also off page optimized. But you must have to focus on page SEO. It should provide the value on your content. Here you can see above 200 2000 word content here, and it is a title. This is the paragraph. Here you can see the structure. Here you can see the permalink. Also you can see the URL. You can call it URL structure. The URL structure is relevant to the content. How to choose the best dog food? Best dog food, choosing what's right for your dog. It is relevant to this content. That's why the content owner selected it on the on page SEO slug, you can call it. I'm telling you the main on page SEO factors are URL heading. It should select the H1 tag, meta description, inbound link, snippet, schema.org, analytics, and many more. Everything you will have to learn one by one, step by step, and I'm telling you that I will help you to learn how to do on page SEO. Actually, in the next tutorials I will show you how you can do on page SEO. So till then, take care, and thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe it by clicking on red button. Again, thank you.